मैं तेनू इन्ना दवांगा कि तू रज जावेंगा. Are we not witness to this ilham, each one of us?
The Ahmadiyya Muslim Community UK hosted an event for the Ahmadiyya Muslim Medical Association, bringing together dedicated members to raise awareness and funds to support humanitarian initiatives. The event was a continuation of the guidance and inspiration provided by Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, during AMMA's general meeting last month. His Holiness urged the association's members to expand their service to humanity, particularly through Jama'at medical initiatives worldwide.
Today's event is a unique event. Recently, our beloved Imam in our medical association conference, he reminded all medical professionals to come forward to serve the humanity in a real term. So Hazrat Aqdas reminded us our unique role as a medical professional, where we can fulfill responsibilities of Allah Almighty and as well as to serve humanity.
The event featured an engaging exhibition area where medical professionals had the opportunity to network, share ideas, and explore displays showcasing ongoing Jama'at healthcare initiatives. Following this, the formal program commenced with a recitation of the Holy Quran. Nasiruddin highlighted the need to support and strengthen healthcare institutions in light of Hazur's guidance, emphasizing the collective responsibility to advance Jama'at's humanitarian efforts.
Hazur emphasized the pivotal role of the collective action and immense responsibility upon each professional to contribute selflessly to alleviating human suffering. Hazur urged all to extend efforts to strengthen the Jama'at's healthcare institutions, such as the Fazl-e Umar Hospital in Robba, as you've just heard, and actively support new projects like the Masroor Center for Healthcare in the Ivory Coast. Tonight's gathering is an opportunity to reflect on this blessed guidance and take actionable steps towards achieving these notable objectives.
During the event, a video message from Sayyid Ahmad Muzaffar, Chairman of AMMA UK, was presented, followed by a special message from Major General Professor Dr. Nouri, Administrator of the Tahir Heart Institute. In his message, Dr. Nouri shared an inspiring story showcasing the profound and life-changing impact of humanitarian efforts.
It was not very long ago when an infant with complex congenital heart disease was airlifted from Benin in Africa for 5-hour-long cardiac surgery at Tahir Heart Institute. The doctors from the United States performed the impossible feat, and with the prayers of Hazrat Aqdas, Ayyadullah Ta'ala bin Nasr al-Aziz, she left the hospital in normal health. We named her the Princess of Benin. Dear colleagues, Ivory Coast is not far from Benin in Africa. Our noble mission, a charity fundraising initiative that seeks to bring light into the dark corners of the world. It is a call for action, a call to compassion, and a call to make a real tangible impact.
Captain Majid, Chairman of the Humanity First Healthcare Services, shared a thought-provoking reflection on the legacy of various initiatives and their lasting impact.
What is our legacy? The legacy is that when the first baby born at Nasser Hospital and the first baby boy born at Nasser Hospital, when they put their shovels on the ground for the expansion of the hospital, that is healing in community. That is the Pinjan circle of life, that you come together to help to heal the communities together. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the legacy.
The keynote address was delivered by Rafiq Hayat, Amir of Jama'at UK, who spoke about Hazrat Khalifatul Masih's vision for the UK Jama'at to lead the way in humanitarian efforts.
When I mentioned to him yesterday and requested for prayers, he said that the Jama'at now needs millions to be able to serve humanity. And we, the UK Jama'at, should be at the forefront of this. And I'm hoping that the next event that we have, where the international conference takes place, the Hazur will be able to say with some pride that the UK Jama'at, especially the Medical Association, did take note of his comments at the last conference. And by the grace of Allah, they've opened their hearts and made a huge difference.
I'm pleased that the response that we had when we invited the medical associates, by the grace of Allah, they came in large numbers and they have given generously, and they have also pledged that they are prepared to do Waqf-e-Arzi around the world. So inshallah, I'm sure from this one event we'll see huge benefits to the worldwide community, and inshallah more will follow from here on, and they'll be able to do more and more such events in the future.
Ahmadiyya Medical Association UK, first of all, if they can, as this particular project was initiated by them, they can certainly help us go over the finish line. That is number one. Secondly, of course, when the hospital is up and running, we would want sustainable support from them. Sustainable means that a doctor doesn't go and come back and never goes back. Sustainable means that they are given a task and they deliver it again and again. So that is how professional sustainability comes in.
The event concluded with a silent prayer, followed by a dinner, providing attendees with an opportunity to reflect and connect. The evening wrapped up with a Q&A session, allowing for further discussion and engagement. Noshiran Rashid, MTA News.